Hi there, I'm Deepthi. I recently faced a rat in my house and I had to buy this black cat standard rat trap. So let me show you. The black cat standard rat trap is grey in color and has a simple basic design. It measures 17 by 12 by 16 centimeters. The main body is made of plastic. The spring action of the handle is made of iron and is extremely powerful. When triggered by a rat, the vertical U-shaped strike arc responds in milliseconds. While the trap is easy to use, you have to be very careful while placing the bait as the snap is really strong. It can injure your fingers really badly, but it does get rid of any sized rodents quick and easy. This is definitely a catch for every household.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,